What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and today this is going to be part 2 of the El Camino progress from the whole entire year. So I did the video on the Impala for all the work that was put in from December 31st till December 31st of 2022. And now I am going to do the same exact thing for the Elko. The first video was the video of where it had started to where it is now. Just because, like I said, my dad had sent me those old clips and I thought it would have been dope so that you guys could kind of see where the car actually came from and how much work I actually put in to even get it to the point of being able to run. You know, like I said, this is something that I've been doing for a long time. I've been in the game for a while. And it just is what it is, man. Like, this ain't overnight. And I kind of dove into this car thing kind of like head first, yo. And just started working on my own cars and doing things to my cars myself. And this year, I want to really take that to the next level and elevate. And I'm starting with updating my production. So everything that I'm doing, my camera equipment, you know what I'm saying, my editing, all that type of stuff, I want to take it to the next level this year and really go hard. So jump down in the comment section and let me know what y'all want to see, man. I know you guys want to see these cars in action and doing different things other than just sitting in the garage and all that kind of stuff. But obviously, you know what I'm saying, it takes time to get to that point. And I hope you guys appreciate all the level of work that has gone into these cars to get them to that point, to get them out and stuff like that. The Impala is almost ready 100% to really get out and start, you know what I'm saying, doing what I got to do. The Elko, we got to tear back down. But like I said, this is going to be the video of me showing what I went through to get the car just to the point it is now. Both cars came a very, very long way within the last year. And like I said, I want to really get to the point where I can really start, you know what I'm saying, doing what I got to do with the cars. Do you guys want to see more C10 content? Do you guys want to see more of the Impala, more of the Elko, whatever, you know what I mean? Let me know down in the comments what y'all want to see. I know everybody's going to be biased based on the car that they like, but I'm trying to get everything in rotation. Do you want to see more of the Ram? Because I actually have some big things coming up with the Ram, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, man, I'm not going to continue to talk. I know this is going to be another long video like the Impala was, because there was a lot of work that we put in for the Elko to get it to the point where it is now. So anyways, man, without further ado, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video, man. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Pretty much got everything out the way. I got the car masked up really good. Now I am gonna kind of tape that down a little bit more back there and probably tape it down a little bit more up here just to prevent from this kind of flopping out or whatever when I spray. Shouldn't be too bad, but we're gonna get it just like that. First things first, we're going to go ahead and epoxy the metal spots. Probably wait about 15-20 minutes, full epoxy around the whole car, and then we'll epoxy again. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and smack it with some 2K. We're gonna clean these areas, and anywhere that you see metal, like right here that I accidentally burned through or whatever, we're gonna go ahead and hit that with some self-etch primer, and then we should be good. So It looks so freaking clean. Man, I could still wet sand and get some of that out of there, but it's just the door jam. You know what I mean? Or the door. I sprayed the primer, obviously. And when I started spraying the paint, the plastic started to flap. I have it. Whew. Man, I am in love with this color, man. It's gorgeous. And those pearls are smacking. We're on a whole different type of time with this hood, or with this car, man. Like I said, I've only seen this done by 2 other cars. There was a Dunk in Florida, and then there's a car at a car show in Denver that I seen somebody do this, and I think it turned out amazing.
Wanted my squeegee, but couldn't find it. I wasn't trying to spend a lot of time trying to figure out where that is. So we're gonna just do it like this. We're gonna just do it like this.
So, got the QA1s on there, both sides. So, got the whole control arm out. You know what I mean? Rotor, everything done. We just gotta get the top one out and we good to go. All right, y'all. We got the big brakes on there. Corvette brakes, all new hardware, everything new, cinched up, everything Loctited down. We got the QA1s on there. Got the coilovers in there. It looks real nice. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a steel braided brake line. And I still gotta hook up my sway bar and stuff like that and bleed the brakes. And then we'll drop this thing down and go on a test drive. Oh yeah, I gotta install my sleeves on my tie rods too. So yeah, we got some things to do, man. We still got some work to do. But I wanted to show y'all, you know, the final result of everything. Bro, wow. That's that rear. Wow, bro. And these will bolt right up, right? Yep. Perfect. Woo. These things look incredible. I wish I could pull the car out right this very second. But I got a few things that I have to do first. We got the seats. And shout out to my boy Emilio, man, for always keeping me on my toes. He said the outside looks good, but the inside, a typical Chevy, you know what I mean? He a Ford guy, so you know what that means, you know. But anyways, you know, we keep a Chevy over here. Shout out to Rock Shop Warren, you know, cause that's his slogan. But anyways, it's Chevy over here, bro. But this is the best part of the car, hands down, man. This is my grandmother. Like I've expressed to y'all before, I never got to give her that first ride, but she always gonna be with me in spirit. This is the best part of this car. It's wet, and this sandpaper is easy to like glide over the paint. So yeah, man. Oh, it looks a lot better in person than it does on the camera. On camera, it kind of look a little bit yellow. It's not yellow at all. It's all the way white. You know what I'm saying? But you can kind of see it a little bit better, man. It's not perfect, but it's gonna do the job, man. Like I said, we gonna get the functionality all the way popping. You know, the turning signal is not really like working like that. But it is what it is. All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. That's, to me, I enjoy, you know what I'm saying, I enjoyed putting these videos together just because of the simple fact that, man, it really highlights how much has actually gone on. And I brought y'all so much content last year, y'all, in regards to the two cars, and really put in work to get them to the level that I got them to. And it's so crazy, like, I love, you know what I'm saying, I like this angle that I'm able to get now. But anyways, I brought y'all so much content in regards to the two cars, y'all. And, you know, like I said, it's one guy in his garage really getting it in. And, you know what I'm saying, like, most of this stuff, I had help when Dash and I bled the brakes. I had help when Dash and I did the control arms on the Impala. And I think that's pretty much about it. Oh, Dash helped me put the hood onto the Elco as well. Helped me pick up the Impala and stuff. But as far as sanding and painting and, you know what I'm saying, doing everything that I went through, you know what I'm saying, like, I did that myself, yo. Also, too, I had help from Dash with, you know, supplying me with the tools necessary to get things done. Also, some of the videos that we did, I had help from Dash. Dash is the only person that has helped me within the last year to get this car and that car to where they are. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's it. Everything else, like I said, from paint and trim to, you know what I'm saying, doing everything that I did to the interior, to, you know what I'm saying, to the whole suspension, to, you know, getting the engine bay all cleaned up and doing everything that I did to this Elco, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I did all that myself. I mean, the Elco still has a long way to go. So this year, the Elco probably will not be out that much because I'm tearing it back down and going, you know what I'm saying, like, back in through it. And we'll see how fast I get it done. Seeing how fast everything came together with the car, like, less than a year, to be able to have it painted and looking like it looks, man, I believe that I could definitely get, you know what I'm saying, the whole drivetrain, you know, figured out and done. So anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. It was just kind of like a recap video to show y'all how hard I actually went to try to bring you guys these cars to where they look now. Like I said, there's still a long way to go, and I know people tell me, you fix this, fix that, fix this, but I'm only one guy, yo. Like, I can only do so much. You know what I'm saying? If these went to a shop, of course, you know what I'm saying, in a year, it should be done like that. But people send their cars to shops, and they sit for a year, and nobody touches it. So, you know what I'm saying, for one person to really be able to pull off the unthinkable, like, you know, and I hope it motivates and inspires you guys to get out there in your garage and do what you got to do to bring your car to life too, because there's so many cars around that you see sitting in people's garages that sit for years because, you know, people either don't have the money, don't have the expertise, don't have the motivation to grind, whatever it is, to do whatever it is to get that car to bring it to life, yo. And you know what I'm saying? That's kind of unfortunate because these things are now a dying breed, especially with all this electric stuff coming out, man. You gotta get your junk on the road. You feel me? So anyways, it is what it is, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm not gonna sit here and chop it, you know what I'm saying, too long, just because of the simple fact that I know it's a long video. I know that, you know, everybody's attention span is a little bit short. So, you know what I'm saying, before we exit, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And like I said, I always appreciate all the love, all the support, everybody rocking with me, man. I appreciate y'all to death. So anyways, man, cheers to 2023. Let's have a good year. Let's make it a good year. And let's get out there, grind, work on our cars, and get them on these streets. So anyways, without further ado, work hard so you can live free.